guys, Vanakkam. This is another unboxing video from Click Orchid, and this is actually a gift I got for World Photography Day, I believe. I don't have any idea what's inside this box. This is a gift hamper from Click Orchid. Okay. Okay, let's see what's inside. There is another box inside. Okay. They said it's a gift hamper. So, oh, it's upside down. Okay. Greetings from Click Orchid. Thank you for your participation with Click Orchid Photography Contest. Congratulations on winning a gift hamper worth 800 rupees. Okay. Keep the orchid Keep the orchid in some area, ensure circulation, watch out fertilizer. Okay. Where's my orchid? Wow. Okay, here's the orchid. Another V3. Oh my god. Another Super Euclidean V3. Click Orchid. I just bought this before, like, say a month, 2 months. Okay. What else inside? I have no idea what it is. I think these are fertilizers. Okay, I have another orchid. This is a dendrobium. It's okay. I don't know what dendrobium is this. Anyway, that's good. So I have 2 orchids and oh, it's a fertilizer. That's cool. I think this is fungicide. So Sucoeucadian V3 and some dendrobium which I have no idea what it is. This is my indoor plants enclosure where I keep my orchids and dendrobium. This is Oncidium dancing lady. I just bought a week back, and I think yeah, that's it. And here's the other Sucoeucadian V3 flowering size adult plant, and this is a sapling. This goes here. It's a temporary setup, but I think it'll be fine over here. This is a temporary setup. I'll be changing the pot with cocoa bark actually. Click orchid media actually. This sphagnum is just laid on top of the media. I just bought it today. And this is another phalaenopsis which is mounted in a wood. I'm having this for like say probably 9 to 10 months, not sure. I don't even have the name ID of this orchid, but these are my orchid collections and these 2 are new. So thanks Click Orchid, and bye bye, see you.